You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say this name? Brazilian restaurant, I believe. I've actually found a video that exactly says how to pronounce it, so let's hear it from...
Come, experience the art of churrasco, only at Fogo de Chao.
Fogo de Chao. You got this? Fogo de Chao. Fogo de Chao is how you say it. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.